Hi, it's me again. I know, you just saw me, but this is a separate video for Tree by Make Market. I'm Nancy, Pampered with Diamonds, and I'm doing a de-stash of some of my Make Market kits. The way this works is you wait for the video of the kit that you want to see come up, and then you tell me that you're interested and you email me pamperedwithdiamonds@gmail.com. Make me an offer, you pay shipping, and it's all set. These kits roughly ship for $12 to $15. Not too bad. This is called Tree. I can't get any. Oh, sorry. It's Outdoor Tree. Yep, it's called Outdoor Tree. I mean, they're not lying. Trees are outdoors. This is a 16 by 20. And it has 35 colors. It sure does. What am I talking about? This guy right here. That guy. Yep. 16 by 20. What is in here? What is in the bottom? Oh, the toolkit. It's a basic toolkit. You got your pen, you got your wax, you got your tray, you got your quality baggies. These baggies are really good for extra things, not necessarily drills. They're great to hold stuff like extra change. So they're good to have. Keep in your purse. They're not the thin line. They're not the thin plastic red ones. We all know about those baggies. Yeah, these are not them. All right. This is Tree, Outdoor Tree. Bought this one last year. And don't think I'm going to do it. Make Market as the bottom. The numbers, that's the bottom. And plus, this would just look funny if it was the other way. So we got 36 colors. And no special drills. They are square. Oh, I take that back. There is a special drill. Oh, my Lanta. There is a special drill. I seen it glowing. Seen it sparkling. Is what I saw. Okay. Not in this pile. Nope. Where did it go? There it is. Oh my gravy. Look at it, everybody. Right here. It is an AB. So, it's number 35, and it's the diagonal line. So let's find out. I don't see any more. Nope, but if you want a fairy dust for your tree, let me know. I can probably accommodate you. All right, let's find these diagonals to put these pretty whites. Okay. But this is the colors. Lots of pretty blues. There's a pink. Lots of two different kinds of pinks, some blues. Couple of different kinds of blues. White, a light brown. All right, you know how this goes. I'm going to try to put it back in here. Guys, this is not my talent. No, not my talent at all. This is not where I thrive. Okay. So the diagonal, these are in the tree, right in here. Here, all these little spots are where those ABs are going to go. Yep, in the tree. None outside. So we're going to make the tree pop. All in here at the bottom. Yep, there's some at the bottom. All right. That's going to be nice. And this, I didn't even roll it backwards, and it's laying flat. The lines you see are from the plastic. Strictly from the plastic, not the canvas. See? Canvas is beautiful. Make Market has good quality canvases. But have we met? You know I have a lot. So I need to start getting rid of some. I went a little crazy when I started buying diamond art. You know what I mean? I think we all know what I mean. I went a little crazy. I went a lot crazy. Okay, I said it. The first step is admitting, right? The first step? Yeah, well, yep. Am I going to stop buying? Probably not. Because I like to have a collection / stash because I don't know what events I'm going to participate in. I don't know what I'm going to feel like doing. So I like to have some in my arsenal. There you go. We can call it arsenals. I like to have a variety. You know what I mean? But there are some that I know I'm not going to do because I have other ones that I would much rather do. Anyway, I digress. Okay. Let's look at this tree. Look at it. This is outdoor tree. You can no longer get this piece unless you find it like on eBay or Etsy or Poshmark or whatever that is. But you cannot get it at Michael's. So this tree is really pretty. It's a full drill. It's a square. And let me know if there's anything you would like me to add to bling this tree up. Like, I think I might have something for the top of the tree that you could work around. I don't know. I have to look and see what I have in my gems. So you'll have to send me an email, make me an offer, tell me what you would like to do with this tree, and we'll see if I have pieces and parts that you can do that with. So as always, I'm Pampered with Diamonds. I like this. It's the thumbs up. Email me. Help me get this out of my house into the hands of one of you fine folks. I have another video coming up. Yes, I do. Of the next canvas. Stay tuned. Have a great, great day and be kind. Bye.